Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I'm happy to be back. I never gone anywhere in the first place. I was busy with life, planning lots of exciting stuff going on in my life. Persons who are close to me know what's going on, so I'm basically planning, working hard and staying focused. So it kind of taken away from me making as many videos as I can make. Now today I have a really good idea and I'm going to make a video about it, so prepare yourself and just get ready. But first and foremost, thanks everybody for tuning into the channel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you, old gingerbread, new gingerbread and jelly beans. I appreciate you females, I appreciate the males. Thanks for just tuning in, thanks for commenting, thanks for continuously watching, thanks for just continue supporting the channel. So let me jump right into the video. So today the video is basically 4 to 5 things you should continue to do now that you're in a relationship. So it's 5 things you should continue to do in a relationship that you used to do when you were single. So I know it's kind of confusing, so I'm trying to like go as slow as possible and not talk too fast. So it's basically 4 to 5 things you need to do or continue to do as a single person. Know that you're in a relationship. Being a single person, it is somewhat selfish, it is somewhat satisfying, it is somewhat relaxing, knowing that you're only dealing with you, you're the only person that you're dealing with. You don't have a significant other to worry about, you have nobody else's feelings to worry about, nobody else to love but yourself and your family. But that kind of responsibility that you'd have being in a relationship, you'd really have that. You don't have anybody to take on a date, you don't have anybody to pretty much like love and care for. There's downside to that, but there's less stress, there's less like drama in your life, heartbreak, breakup, misunderstandings. There's lots, you know, to being single. There's lots of benefit to being singles and there's lots of cons to being single as well. But when you're in a relationship, you have to care about the next person, you have to care about how they feel, what they eat, you have to check up on them. It is time consuming and it takes a lot out of you. Now when you transition from being a single person into a relationship, we must keep in mind that we were single at first and we used to do things that makes us happy, and now that we're with somebody, oftentimes we forget to cater to ourselves, we forget to do the things that we normally do. So in this video, that is what I want to talk about. Things that we normally do while we're single, we should continue to do them while we're in a relationship, because we have to understand that we're still our own people. Even though we're with somebody, we become a unit, we become one. We must also continue to do the things that we used to do that makes us happy in the first place. Because one thing you don't want to do is to be uncomfortable in a relationship or stop doing the things that you used to love doing now that you're with somebody, because all your time is being taken up in the relationship. So this is a positive video and I hope you guys, you know, understand and take heed and do these things I'm going to tell you to do. So the first thing you should do is keep balance. So keep a balanced friendship. Everybody know we have friends from long time. Me myself, I have friends for years, like 10, 15, 16 years. From I was 12 and even younger, I still have those people around now. When you enter a new relationship, this person is new in your life. This person just come, them just drop in, them just Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. They just come. Do not neglect your friends from the past. Do not neglect your friends for your new partner. You must have balance. remember this is one person that you're trying to build with, but the people that were there before, they're still there, and you have to keep a balance between the new and the old. So if you're in a relationship or you're starting a relationship and your partner tell you, oh, you shouldn't talk to this person, or you shouldn't talk to that, or I don't like that person, never let somebody force you to do something that you don't want to do. You cannot force somebody to love you. Don't force somebody to stop talking to their friends unless it's going to affect the relationship. If you realize that your partner, whether it be male or female, have a guy friend, and that guy friend trying to get into, you know, your pants or whatever, then that means that person don't have respect for you per se, and they pretty much want to ruin the relationship that you have. So now your partner have an issue with that and they don't want you to deal with them anymore. That is justified action to prevent, you know, problems in your relationship. No, especially if you're serious about your partner. So we must keep a balance. We must can be able to spend time talking to our parents, or sisters, or brothers, spend time talking to our partner, you know, our best friends, still hang out with our best friends without having that friction, without fighting, without arguing over it. Your partner must be able to understand that you're your own individual and you have these people before, and you can't just drop them like that, especially for no valid reason at all. A lot of people are selfish, and because they don't have friends, they don't want you to have friends. A lot of people are insecure and they want to program you and tell you that you must not talk to these people, and we're not having it. We're not having none at all. None. Zit, none. So be careful of that in your relationship. So one, ensure that you keep a balance with your friends. It is very important. Friends and family go a far way. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Take it from me. The next thing that I look at, ensure your me time. Me time is important. Ensure, like, trust me, I love my me time. I love my me time to the point where my me time runs into hours, like 3-4 hours. My me time. What is your me time? Your me time is what you used to do while you were single, while you never had anybody. You used to watch a series, you used to watch a YouTube, you used to play a game, you used to listen to music, you used to read, you used to write, you used to do all of that. Now somebody else coming into your life, they're going to need attention. They're going to want to be around you 54/7. Not even 24/7, 54/7. You have to have a balance now. You have to ensure that you continue that me time. So just allow you, tell your partner, sit down, talk to your partner and say to them, so listen, you have your me time, I have my me time, I and we time. You see what I'm saying? Ensure that you're taking care of yourself, because we don't like to feel uncomfortable. People don't like change. We don't want to be able to we're playing games from we're 12 years old, or playing video games, you know, for guys or females watching the series or the show. They don't want their boyfriend to be nagging them, calling them every minute, taking away from their show time. There's only 24 hours in a day. So ensure that you have your me time, even though you're in a relationship, whether you be married, engaged, whatever it is, living together, not living together. Don't focus all your energy on just your partner 24/7. Have your me time. Allow the person to breathe. Allow the person to stretch their leg. Allow the person to sleep. Allow the person to relax. Don't be nagging to them. Don't call them constantly. Allow them to breathe and take in some fresh air. Allow them to miss you. People supposed to miss you sometime. Just make people miss you know. It is important. You understand? Don't make people feel clustered. Don't be all over them. Allow them to watch them show for an hour, 2 hours while you go watch your show. Do something in the meantime. Yes, what I'm saying, don't nag them, call them, where are you now? If they're chilling with their friends or whatever, give people a space, both male and female. Females, take your me time as well. It is important. Take your time with your girls. Talk to your girls. Chat with your girls on the phone. If your boyfriend in the bedroom, or you want to be in the bedroom beside him, you must be able to be on your phone and talk to your friends and whatever and catch up. If it's something important that you have to talk about, well, that's different, but ensure you have your me time, people. So number 2 is me time. Ensure that you're taking care of yourself. Ensure that you, hey, listen to me, I love my me time, my series, my YouTube. I have to catch up on all my videos, football, documentaries, everything. So I love my me time, and once your partner can understand that me time is important and break it down for them, then the better relationship will be. So the next thing that we look at is grooming yourself. A lot of times we just let go ourselves. We just let it go. We're relaxed, we're comfortable, and we forget to take care of ourselves. Now that we have our partner and our partner gets so used to us, we forgot to basically cut our hair, shave our face, shave our arm, you know, shave our legs. You're relaxed now, you're comfortable now, you're married, you forgot to groom yourself and look nice because you're comfortable laying down, you know, you're not prettying up and makeup and trying to impress the person because you have that person in your life. No. However, we have to continue to do these things. You have to look good still. You have to keep up yourself. You have to, you know, don't just Lego your body, both male and female. Because I do it sometimes. I just make my face get beard up and all of that. Sometimes I don't even work out. You know what I'm saying? So we have to ensure that we groom ourselves. Grooming is important. Grooming is vital. Ladies, put on your nice nails. You don't even put on a fingernail, but Q-tex them, you know, pretty them up. Change the color. You know, change your hairstyle. Even if you don't have weave or whatever. You know, put in a cane or put in something nice, you know. Add a little color to it. Spice it up. Just be a different you. Like, groom yourself. Look presentable for your partner. Look presentable in a relationship. Look presentable going to work, you know what I mean? So grooming is important, even though you're comfortable and you're laying down, you know, you're just laying down that extra, you know, that extra layer of impressing the person. Put it on back sometime, you know, spice it up, man. Make it look, you know, make the relationship nice again. You can't just live so, like, say, you know, I understand, make your partner feel like, say, you're hot, see your way, you're hot, you have a look hot, see your way, you understand, you look hot. Alright, so make sure you say groom yourself properly. You understand what I'm saying? So the next one we look at is self-drive. Always be self-driven. A lot of times we're in relationships and we become dependent on one person, and that put a lot of pressure on your partner. Not because one person is making more money mean that you're just going to Lego yourself and just be like, oh, my partner making enough for both of us and we're in agreement to be like, alright, that person making enough and they can cover both of us, or I'm supplementing them with my little. Try to meet them halfway. Try to be there. If they're making 2,000, try to make 2,000 or try to make 2,005. As men, ensure that you try to be the breadwinner. Even if you're not the breadwinner, try to do more. Try to be a hustler. Try to go out there and get stuff done. Relying on one person alone, it's too much pressure. Females, allowing your man to just do all of the work and bringing all of the money to pressure on that person. We're all human beings. Just like how you were single before and you used to pay your rent, you used to buy your food, you used to do your own hair, you used to do everything for yourself. Now when both persons come together, you're supposed to be stronger. The burden shouldn't be just on one person alone, and we have to be cognizant of that. We can't just relax and show the pressure on that one person and be like, oh, you do this, you do that, you do that because this. No. Take up the slack too. Be like, alright, you know what, I need to push more, I need to put in more effort, I need to be, you know, that self-drive. Habit same way. Motivate yourself, motivate your partner as well, but ensure that you don't lapse. And even if you lapse for a little while, bounce back. Like, you know, motivate yourself, get that self-motivation, or use your partner to motivate you. Talk to them about it. Tell them, say, listen, I want to be motivated again. I want to feel that self-drive. I want to feel like I'm doing something. I want to feel like I'm contributing to the relationship. And that will help the partner to love you even more, because they don't feel that pressured. You don't want to feel pressured. You want to be happy. You want to be in a relationship where you can actually feel relaxed and loved and cared for, and somebody there for you and supporting you just as how you're supporting them. So that's vital. Self-drive is important. Don't be too dependent. So that's number 4. So the next and the last one that we look at is keep the fire burning. So keep the fire burning. This can have many different meaning. Keep the fire burning. So how I'm going to interpret keep the fire burning is basically keep things fresh, keep things going, keep motivating yourself, keep building a relationship, keep finding new things to do, keep, you know what I mean, just like how you were single and you're trying to find somebody, keep that fire burning going, keep it, you know, keep that energy level going up in your marriage. Do things that, you know, go on vacation, plan, do activities, whether it be picnic with friends and family. Just keep that fuel going, fuel your relationship, and ensure that your partner do that as well. So keep the fire burning could be various things, but ensure that you're doing that in your relationship. And just, you know, be happy, be loved, be, you know, love somebody and care for them but also care for yourself as well. And with that, this is where I'm going to end the video. Keep the fire burning. I'm going to go over them again, and you'll see them in the thumbnail as well. So 1, keep a balance with your friendship. 2, ensure that you have your me time. 3, groom yourself, vital. Everybody wants to look good. Fix up yourself and look nice. You see what I say? Self-drive is important, very vital. And just keep the fire burning. So those are 5 things you should continue to do in a relationship while you were single. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I did a good job explaining everything. Thanks for watching JVLOGS again. Plunkett. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video, leave your comments below, let me know how you feel about it. And thanks for watching JVLOGS. Plunkett. I'm out. One love, people. I'm gone. Thanks for watching.